I've always been an advocate of the only thing that should go into your vagina are water and a clean penis. But everybody on social media is talking about boric acid suppository. I'm seeing it on Instagram, I'm seeing it on Twitter, I'm seeing it on TikTok even. So if you want to know what are boric acids, how should you use them, who should use them, when you should use them, or even if you should use them at all, this is the right video for you. Make sure you watch this video to the very end and let's get right into it. Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. My name is Fola. If you are seeing me for the first time, I urge you to stick around, watch this video, 4 or 5 more other videos on the channel, and I assure you that you would want to stick around and you want to subscribe to the channel. My returning subscribers, hi my loves, how you guys doing? I usually film about skincare and lifestyle, but this video is not about skincare, it's about women hygiene. And of course, when it has to do with women hygiene, count me in. There's no point if your skin is fine and your skin is glowing and you are not, your vagina is not clean, or is smelling, or is burning, or is itching. No. And because I'm a girlish girl, I don't gatekeep. I will definitely bring you the best information about anything that has to do with you. So for boric acid is a medication that is used to treat yeast infection. It helps to balance the pH level of the vagina, get rid of odor, get rid of itching, get rid of burning sensations, and just basically makes you feel clean, fresh, and confident all day long. So what does boric acid do? Is it an antibiotic? Boric acid is not an antibiotic. It is used to treat yeast infection, fungal infection. However, it does have antibacterial properties, so it can actually serve as an antibacterial and an antifungal, but it actually is used to treat yeast infection. But if you don't have bacterial infection as well, it does help to treat it. Don't drink boric acid. This is what it looks like. This is what boric acid looks like. So it is not for you to eat. Please do not eat boric acid. Do not swallow it. It is poisonous. You should only insert it. And how should you use it? I recommend that if you are not struggling with recurring infection and you don't have like serious infection, you are just clean after your period, you just want something to help you feel clean, I encourage that you use it like 3 days after your period. So you finish your period on Monday, use it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday consecutively, so that it just cleans, helps you to remove every residue, every blood clot, or anything that might not be clean, smelly, or anything. I don't recommend it for pregnant women. I don't recommend it for lactating mothers. So if you've been having recurrent infection and you just want something to help you get rid of it, please talk to your gynecologist. I'm sure that they would also recommend boric acid suppository for you. Please, if you have like serious health issues, do not take my word for it. I am not a licensed medical person. Please visit your gynecologist. I'm simply telling you what I have read and what I have used and what works for me. So please make sure you visit your gynecologist or you visit your doctor if you have serious health issue before you use anything at all. So if you feel like you are just maybe there's something changes in your sexual partner, or something just changes and it alters the balance down there, you're itching, you're smelling something unpleasant, please go ahead, get boric acid and use for 3 to 5 days. I don't recommend using for too long because it's going to clear both the good bacteria and the bad bacteria, and you do not want that. You still want the good bacteria to still do the job of protecting you. So yeah, do not use for too long. Don't don't use every day because you want everything to be clean. You want it to be clean every day. Please use it for 3 to 5 days. Within 5 days, you are good. You are good. You are good. So if you are experiencing maybe bad smell, use boric acid. Use it for 3 to 5 days consecutively, and just come and tell me what you feel. Just come and tell me what you feel. It is really, really amazing. How you use it: you insert 1 tablet overnight, right? And when you wake up the following morning, you would notice a lot of discharge. That is it doing what it's supposed to do, pushing everything that is unpleasant, that is making the whole place itch or smell or anything, pushing it out. So you would notice a whole lot of discharge the night after you use it, especially if you use it for the very first time. You will notice a discharge, but not to worry, everything is under control. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. What should you expect? What should you expect after using boric acid? You should expect clear discharge. You should expect, if you use panty liner, at the end of the day, you should expect your panty liner to still be clear and no terrible odor, just the normal vagina being vaginally. Okay, so it shouldn't be. You would even feel it. You would feel very dry, not dry during sex, but dry. You're not humid, you're clean, you feel very clean, you feel very fresh. If you want to pee, you feel clean. You yourself, you will know that this thing is working. So I really recommend that you should get boric acid, but please make sure that you know where you're getting from. I'm not going to recommend, I cannot recommend that, oh, this person is good, go and buy from them. No, I cannot recommend that for you. But I want you to, before you make the decision to buy, please make sure that you are buying from a good source and do not use too much. Don't use too much. Use between 3 to 5 days, maximum 1 week. Say you even have terrible infection, use boric acid for maximum of 1 week, and I assure you that you will see difference. If you don't see difference, then please go to your gynecologist. And again, do not take my word for it. Visit your gynecologist if you are not certain about your health. If you have any health condition that you think might raise issues, please visit your gynecologist before you take anything you see on the internet. Okay, this video is supposed to be short, so the long and short is that buy boric acid, use 3 days after your period, like use after your period for 3 days to just make you fresh. If you're itching, try boric acid. And it has a secret that I'm not going to tell you. When you use it, you tell me what you think. If you those who know, but there's something I'm not going to say about it. But when you use it, come back and come and tell me how you feel or what you noticed. Okay, if you have any video requests, please be free to leave it in the comment section. I will definitely respond to everything and make a video if I can. And yeah, thank you very much for sticking around. Have a good day.